Smith i Bakare. Gyfle redeg tuag at Walker. Mae o heibi Walker groesiad yn ddim tuag at Wild ar y postyn pella. Sydd wedi sgorio 5 gol o'r tymor. 8 munud ar y cloc. Aberystwyth yn cael ei dal yn cysgu o'r gig rydd a'r llinell ar ffordd. Bakare wedyn tipyn cyflymach na Declan Walker a'r groesiad yn berffaith i dalcen Michael Wild. Wed, basta ymlaen i John Owen. Os y gyfle Aberystwyth i nôl i'r sgôr. Owen yn claddu'r bel na. Heibio i John Danby. Gol wych o safbwynt Aberystwyth. Trydydd gol o'r tymor i John Owen. A mae Aberystwyth yn gyfartal. Y bas yn holli'r amddiffyn. Ac Owen a'i droed chwith. Yn rhoi dim gobaith i John Danby. Cei cona 1, Aberystwyth 1. Smith. Bakare. Cam i heibio i Declan Walker. Bakare chrymanu hi. Yn odidog. I roi y tîm cartra yn ôl ar y blaen. Gol o'r safon ycha gan Michael Bakare. I ail gol o'r tymor. Mi ath o heibio i Declan Walker llawer yn rhy hawdd. Ac o fewn 2 funud i Aberystwyth union i'r sgôr. Mae'r tîm cartra yn ôl ar y blaen. Cei cora 2, Aberystwyth 1. Edwards ceisio rhyddhau o Iwnga lawr y dde, mae'n gyflym. A'r groesiad yn dod i mewn. Wall o Cotton, olli gliriad. Dim ond mor bell a Bakare. Smith sy'n mynd o'i amgylch. Sean Smith mae heibi Walker. Sy'n gael noson i'n llefus lawr y dde. Smith mae'n taro traws. A ddylsa Sean Smith wedi sgorio'r drydedd i Cei Cona. Unwaith eto Walker yn cael ei giro. Smith ar ei droed di droed gyrfa. A roed o Lia, nid y golwr weithio dros y traws yr athi. Yna dros ben. Bawb yn disgyn John Owen. Owen ar ergyd. Ddynnu hi braidd i byrpost yn agosa. Walker ar gig rydd, mae'n ei dda. A John Danby cael ei gorff tu ôl i hwnna. I crydd o safon gan Declan Walker. Matty Owen ansawdd da hyd yma. Tuag at Mike Wild i sgorio i ail. Neb ar ei gyfil. Trydydd ar noson ei Cei Cona. 6 o'r tymor i Wild. Oedd hi'n gig gornel gydag ansawdd arbennig gan Matty Owen a'r symudiad gan Michael Wild, colli ddyn ac yn claddu'r bel heibio i Chris Mullock. Gig rydd i Aberystwyth, Declan Walker. Dim yr un ora. Pasio'r dyn cynta. Melvin chodi nôl i fyny tuag at Hobson. Dio ddim yn cam sefyll Hobson. Cyffyrddiad cynta da gan Craig Hobson. Ond ergyd wyll wedyn gyda'i droed chwith. Owen. Tuag at Bakare, ddim yn ansawdd gorau tro yma. Wed bron a baglu dros draed i hun. Smith. Mlaen tuag at Matty Owen. Dio ddim yn cam sefyll, mae gan amser a lle. Thynnu ar draws. Tuag at Kai Edwards ar y postyn pella. Yn sgorio'r bedwaredd i Cei Cona. Ail o'r tymor iddo fo. Siawns gen i roed y gêm bell heibio i Aberystwyth. Chydig llai na 20 munud o'r gêm yn weddill. Cei Cona 4, Aberystwyth 1. Cei crydd Matty Owen. Tuag at yr eilydd Simpson. Cyffyrddiad cynta da. Allan i Morris. Jake Phillips a ras lawr rasgell dde. Thyn ni nôl i Callum Morris. Yn ddim teipio i ddau chwaraewr Aberystwyth. Thyn ni nôl tuag at James Owen. Chwilio am y Simpson. Yr mestyn y coesa hir na. Yr eilydd dim ond ar y cae. Ers i'w hanner munud. Wedi sgorio 5 gol o'r noson i Cei Cona. Fel cyllath drwy fenyn. Ail o'r tymor i Melford. Simpson yn yr amser sy'n cael ei ganiatáu gan y dyfarnwr ar ddiwedd y 90.
Andy, a fantastic performance and a good 3 points. Yeah, delighted. You know, they've come in, you know, on form, scored a lot of goals, and you could see their threats. Was it a 5-1 game? Probably not. It's probably harsh on them. You know, we've scored at good times and took our chances. You know, if we were very clinical, especially on the counter in the second half, I think, you know, we may have got a couple more. But I don't think that would have been, you know, fair and reflective on the game, because they were never out of the game. They were always pressing. They were always asking questions, and you know, they got some real threats there in Ryan Wade and Owen, and you know, the big lad up front, Hobson, you know, was a handful. So yeah, they're gonna cause teams problems and get results. You know, so Friday night, you know, it's cements our top 6 position for me now, 3rd year on the spin. So it's a fantastic night, you know, and the lads will say I'm never happy, which I've just said to them in the change room, like they sort of say, Gaffy, you're never happy, like. But you know, it's there's still more to come.
It didn't help when we, you know, there's 4 or 5 players turning up half an hour before the game because of the weather conditions. But there's no excuses. Constantly get good outfits. They're good at what they do. You know, they've won the game 5-1, and you know, we've just got to make sure we get ready for the Prestatyn match now, which will be a big game for us.
O, dwi'n siomedig, dwi'n meddwl y sgôr hwnna digon ddrwg, ond y perfformiad dim atho ni, dyn ni bod chwarae, dwi'n meddwl 6 wthnos dwytha yn briliant, ond heb di cael y canlyniadau, ond na, siomedig iawn.
Obviously, huge game next Friday at TNS.
Yeah, it's going to be a tough one, TNS. You know, it's my hopefully it's the last game of my ban. You know, I've served 4 games now for voicing my opinions, and you got to learn, I suppose. You know, you learn from your mistakes, but you know, I retract nothing that I said. You know, I felt I said something that was factual, and you know, I was punished for it, and you know, I've dealt with it, and we'll move on, get the TNS game out of the way. It's going to be a very tough one to be in the stand and watch, because you know, I think they're hitting form again. You know, I've seen enough of them over the last 2 or 3 games that they've played to show me that they're back to their very best, and you know, it's going to be a big game for us, but we'll go there on the back of that performance and another good week's training, and we'll go and cause them problems, you know, and we're going to have a right go at them. Nothing to lose.
And obviously, a few games coming up now before the split, very important games.
Every game's cup final to us now, Mark. You know, no 2 ways about it. You know, we've got to go to TNS, which will be really difficult. And as you say, we've got Carmarthen twice and Prestatyn, and them are the games we've got to look at and take maximum points if we can. And the players realise that, you know. But as you say, if we can keep playing going forward like we are, we'll be in a good position. But you know, we've missed our captain tonight. Johnny Spittle was out. Hopefully he'll be back next week, and we need him there, because as you see tonight, we conceded some poor goals really.